Hey, welcome YouTube. 2014 Honda Odyssey 3.5. Complaint was shifting erratic, crystal tree of lights on. We had a code, which I'll show you a picture of that on the scanner, P722 output countershaft speed sensor. We had a code of a P756, had to do with a solenoid B circuit. I'm going to tackle the speed sensor first. I did go out and drive it, and I don't have any miles per hour on my dash. Through a bunch of research, we finally found the right sensor for it. I'm going to replace it. I couldn't lab scope this out and go through all of that. The sensor's so cheap, and it's so easy to change. Sometimes it's just not worth going through all the diag to put a part on it. So there's the part and the number from Honda. Alright, and quick note, I don't try to sell tools or anything, but Harbor Freight the other day, I went by and picked up an LED light. This one right here. Got two different brightnesses and on the end, and it's really thin, and it's an inexpensive light. I think on Amazon they had these and they're like 36 bucks. I think Harbor Freight was like $26, but I love it. I like it better than my Astro light actually. So this, I've already taken the sensor out. I'm going to show you where it's at. I'm going to put it in there. Go drive it. I could shoot a picture of the miles per hour for you, but let's tackle this first. You got to pull this cover down right behind the radiator, and I just kind of pry it out of there. It's really, really hard to see this thing, but it's right up over the top of these cooler hoses. Transmission. Lubricate your own with something so it slides in there easier. Let's see if I can scratch this old man's skin up in here and reach this thing. Like I say, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. You can't really. Let's see here. Hang on before I get cut. Oh yeah. I think my new hat's obstructing my view. Kitty. All right, where is it at? All right, hang on. I am losing my mind. Like I said, you cannot see this sucker. There's one sensor. There's the other sensor. What is that? Oh, never mind. I'm searching for it. The old sensor's still in there, so there's the old one. There we go. Sorry about that. First sign of getting old, Brian. What is it? Huh? Come on, I tell you these corny jokes all the time. Forgetfulness, and that's the first sign, and I forget the other two. Now, had that bolt in my hand. Let's reach up in there, go up over the top of the coolant lines. I say you probably can't see squat, but in your face, the car. Let's see. All right. Look at that. We'll use the camera as my mirror. How about that? Here, start it. Well, that's where it's at. Alright, so 10 millimeter, tighten that up and one plug to it. We'll take care of that. So just a quick video. Have more issues with it. I'm going to post some more about it. That's going to be a fix, I know it is. And I'll let you know about shift solenoid P756. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe to your channel and tell your friends. Let's grow this thing. Thank you. Okay, we're working on that 2014 Honda Odyssey. The no codes came back. Miles per hour were, the transmission fluid's really filthy. We may develop the shift solenoid B come back, but it's working right now. So I'm going to do a transmission flush on it to show you how dirty this fluid is. I've got the lines hooked up on the returns underneath the edge there. Pull the little cover back, go in and out on your BG flush machine, BG fluid. So we're going to lower the car, and we're going to lower that car, and then I'm going to show you the before and the afters when we're done. Then I'll just disconnect everything, and hey, we'll be good to go. Adjusted there. Okay, watch that little test. I call it a test tube. Old fluid running out, new fluid running in. Byron started up. So fluid's going the wrong way, got the copper flow, and reverse the lines. There we go. Now you can see that black, nasty fluid. And moving you up. Hopefully we're in the frame. Oh, sorry about that, guys. There you go. There's a little glare on that thing. Anyway, there's your dark fluid. That will get clear before your very eyes. It's like oil, it's so bad. If you're an advocate of flushes or not, I am. I preach more often than less often, especially if people want to keep their cars. So at least every 60,000 miles, and it depends on the model of the vehicle. Somebody said that I need to show more maintenance stuff. So here you go. Alright, so there we are. Fluid completely like brand new. That's where you want to keep your fluid looking in your car. So, once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Tune in. You'll see what exciting stuff soon. Alright, take care.